welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you all would have seen in the title and the thumbnail, that today we are at Blue Basin River, Waterfall, Big Mountain. So yeah, let me just show you all the views. So guys, this is the parking space. Yeah. And over here we have this is a small river down there, so we have space to picnic and all those good stuff. You can see mommy and they're going up the hill already. And yeah, let me just show you all. Down here isn't much, you know, but to the top is where it has the actual waterfall. So let's go. So this is the bottom. This is the walkway. We're gonna go up to the top, and then we're gonna proceed to the actual waterfall. So guys, tell me one. Why? What's the walkway?
Guys, so think that you have to expect me to come up here. Look at it.
Yes guys, so we are walking down. We almost reached the waterfall. You can hear, I don't know if you all can hear it, but you hear the water that's rushing on all the rocks, because they have the little stream on the side. As we walk you will see it. Let me show you that.
You can see it. Boom. Woo! Look at that good view here now. Get a good view. Keep that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. I wonder if we could go down there. Look at that.
You could, you know.
I feel like I want to be a little adventurous today. We'll go down, right? Go down. Yeah, I see a lot of people do it. I've never tried it.
Up this way, they come up this way.
And guys, I know there are a lot of groups not saying no, but here is very easy to find. So you don't need to go with a group and pay money, because it's very easy to find, guys. So we are at the top. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And look at the water. Look at the water. Wow. Look at the view. We'll give you all a 360. And we have families bathing here. You understand, guys? Look what they're doing. Never me. I wouldn't do that. Ooh.
You just don't know how to operate anything.
Look at this channel here. Oh my god. Yeah, that's not. I don't want to miss the jump. Guys, right now Amaya and Sadie, they're going to climb here. Right, to go all the way here, to pass through there and go to the top of that waterfall up there. They're using a rope to pull up. See them there? Yeah, again, right, so they're pulling up. Like, what does the top of there look like? And they almost reached to, huh? I could have gone, but I wanted to see what it looked like and where they're passing through. Cause watch how they're walking there. Yeah. Wow, and they reach the top of the waterfall. Guys, like this guy gonna come down, but he gonna jump. So he just touched the rope to make sure he good. And I guess he was waiting to see until somebody move, people move from which part they gonna jump. You missing the Olympics! he's supposed to be doing the wrong thing.
Okay guys, sit there now, I'm attempting to go from here, there, to all the way up there. So let's see. Now kids,
Alright guys, so this is the top of the waterfall. It's really pretty. And this is where we just came from down there. So that's where we were just now. And the same track that we showed you with the girls climbing up, that's the same track we took to come up. And this is the top of the waterfall. So you can see here the flow. Wow, so all the time they come out and zoom. So this is the whole view here. And what you can see behind, there's like more. But this is it, because that part was real scary. So we ain't gonna go no further. Alright guys, so we just chilling here on the rock. Yeah, we just came down from on top of God knows where.
16.
God knows where. It was real nice though. It was real nice though. It was
16.
nice. So now we're just gonna chill and enjoy the water.